Greetings everyone, we are Group 3. We would like to present a demonstration of our system design. Starting with the login page, we've designed this entry point with the understanding that multiple instructors will be utilizing our system. Each instructor, managing their own courses, will have unique preferences and system settings tailored to their needs. After logging in, instructors will land on the dashboard page, which highlights our system's two key features: Automated Monitoring and Grading, AMG, and Progress Alerts, PA. The dashboard displays three main panels to support these features: an overview of groups in the selected course, system alert notifications, and a list for monitoring groups. Our system updates daily by fetching the latest information from all course groups through a scheduled GitHub API call. Let's begin with the Automated Monitor Grading, AMG feature. In our system, we organize GitHub API data for each group into three categories: collaboration, engagement, and code quality. Drilling down into a group's performance, instructors can view detailed sub-metrics under each major category, such as the total number of commits, open pull requests, and more. Collaboration focuses on the metrics like the number of commits and pull requests to measure cooperative efforts. Engagement examines the interactions through issues, gauging how actively members are addressing project needs. Code quality assesses the health of the codebase and its test coverage, aided by third-party code review tools. Each group receives a progress grade in these categories, distinct from their final project grade. These interim grades are automatically calculated by our system according to a predefined assessment standard tailored for small-scale development projects typically found in course group work, which may not involve extensive commits or pull requests. The grading system is straightforward, consisting of three levels: good, satisfied, and bad. These metrics contribute to the overall category grade, offering a nuanced view of each group's progress. Furthermore, the criteria used for these assessments can be customized. To customize these criteria, tutors can navigate to the course panel, select the editing option, and modify the benchmarks as required. This customization feature provides educators with the flexibility to personalize evaluation settings for each course, ensuring that the assessment aligns with their pedagogical goals and the particular challenges of the coursework. On the right side of each group row, there are four buttons: Alert Group, Edit Ranking, Full Details, and AI Analysis. The function of Alert Group will be covered separately. Edit Ranking. This button enables instructors to manually adjust a group's grade. This feature acknowledges that the grades generated by the system may not always reflect the true dynamics within a group. For instance, a group might have a high number of commits or pull requests that, upon closer inspection, are not substantive. Full Details. This option provides a deeper dive into the GitHub data insights, presenting all criteria, items, and their individual grades in a detailed modal. This wealth of information assists instructors in gaining a comprehensive understanding of each group's performance. To enhance the user experience, we've integrated a search bar and a feature for bookmarking courses directly on the dashboard. This allows instructors to quickly find or select the courses they're interested in. Typically, instructors would navigate to the course page to locate their desired course. However, with our bookmarking feature, they can easily access the courses they are currently focused on, streamlining their workflow. Beneath the bookmark list, instructors will find the project timeline for each course, allowing for a convenient review of the project's duration. This information can be customized by instructors as they add new courses to their panel, ensuring that the course timelines are always up to date and reflective of the current academic schedule. Now, let's talk about the Progress Alert feature. On the upper right side of the interface is the Notifications panel, designed to display alerts generated by the system. These notifications come in two types: warning and unusual behavior. Warning notifications may indicate that a group is making no progress or is lagging in a specific course. Unusual behavior alerts might be triggered by atypical numbers of commits, pull requests, or issues in a group's activity. This feature aids instructors in quickly identifying groups that are falling behind schedule. For a more comprehensive view and interaction with these notifications, instructors can visit the full Notifications page. On the Notifications page, instructors can delve into the specifics of each alert. New notifications are highlighted in blue, making them easily distinguishable, while those that have already been viewed or addressed are shown in white. To facilitate efficient management, 3 buttons are provided for the instructor: Go to GitHub repo, Add to Monitor, and Alert Group. Go to GitHub repo. This option redirects the instructor to the specific GitHub repository page, allowing for a closer examination of the group's recent activities. Add to Monitor is a key feature that enables instructors to add a group to their monitoring list for closer observation. By clicking this button, a modal will open, allowing the instructor to select the aspects they wish to focus on for this particular group and to add remarks for their own reference. Once added, the group can then be closely tracked on the monitor page. Alert Group. Through this functionality, instructors can open a modal to select the type of alert they wish to communicate, add any additional messages for the group, and send an email notification to all group members. This makes it straightforward for instructors to send reminders or alerts, keeping students informed and engaged with their projects. These tools are designed to enhance communication and oversight, simplifying the monitoring process for instructors and helping to ensure all groups stay on track. That concludes our overview of the 2 core features of our system. For details on additional functionalities and sub-features, please refer to our comprehensive design documentation on our Figma page. Thank you for your attention.